The thing I find most valuable from the membership is meeting like-minded people with the same experience as me that you can just bounce off systems engineering ideas against.
INCOSE UK is unique amongst professional engineering institutions in being the PEI that is dedicated to systems engineering and for systems engineers.
I joined the Institute because as a graduate systems engineer at the time, I wanted to find out more about the discipline as well as interact with other systems engineers and even understand outside of my organisation how a systems engineer practiced and what is the approach of other organisations.
I joined the Institute because it gave me a home. It allowed me to go and work with like-minded people that had come across the same problems and dealt with the same challenges, and learn from their successes, learn from their failures, but generally to get better at what I do through that learning and that shared experience.
Just feeling like you're making a difference and feeling like the contribution that you've made is actually influencing and shaping the future sort of look and feel and the whole of the Institute in general.
You'll almost certainly learn something that you didn't know before if you do join this community, because there are many experts who give their time for free and are very generous with their knowledge and sharing it.
So having access to a network of people, it's very easy to find new work and that helps me with my sort of career progression.
It's always been there supporting me, so having that huge network of people, that growing network of people to call on, the conversations, the events, has just supported everything I've done and definitely increased my learning.
Membership of the Institute has helped me in my professional development through gaining my certification qualifications. So I'm a INCOSE CSEP. I'm also a chartered engineer through the institution as well. So I take those things very seriously and it's very highly valued services that the Institute provide in those areas.
I think one of the big parts that I enjoy the most is the Early Careers Forum, so the ECF, and it's a really good environment for people who have just begun their systems engineering journey, somewhere between 1 and 3 years, for to really help develop them. It's a platform for them to meet other like-minded individuals, but also have an input from more senior people with a bit more experience and build upon.
Yeah, membership's been very helpful to my professional development. It's allowed me to get corporate level recognition and corporate level positions on steering boards that I wouldn't have had otherwise. And also it's helped when, as an organisation, you're trying to do set up collaborative teams with others. It gives a common language for doing that.
I think what makes the Institute so unique is the subject matter of systems engineering and how that breathes in everything that we do. And it's just that it's all about forward thinking and what's coming next and how can we advance that profession.
I would tell someone who is considering joining as a member to go for it. Even if you're not a systems engineer, I believe most engineers need to practice systems thinking and they need to have an understanding of systems engineering.
I like to think we're the institution that you can have a laugh and you have a good time with. I mean, we're not entirely, serious all of the time. It's a nice, friendly organisation to be a member of.